This video right here are for individuals struggling to get leads to their CPA marketing offers, and I'm going to walk you through this in a step-by-step guide, and you can also utilize this to go on to making some cool cash with CPA marketing. But before we go on to details of this video, if you're new to my channel, OJ Marketing, I regularly create videos on ways to make money online, and if you like such kind of content, you may want to just simply hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bells on all so as to always get alerted whenever I do release some cool videos to help boost your income online. So with that being said, and no more delay of time, let's dive right into the video of today. So first things first, you want to get the CPA marketing offer to promote, and you can register for any CPA marketing platform of your choice. You may want to utilize Max Bounty right here, or you can actually utilize CPA Grip or any other CPA marketing platform. The strategy is absolutely going to work for that. You just need to go on to registering for a platform such as this. If you want to utilize CPA Grip, it is quite easy to register. Click on the register icon, you'll be brought to this page, and just simply provide your basic details on all the fields available to you. But you want to just simply take note of only the fields with the red asterisk signs, as that indicates the necessary field you must fill out before an account can be created on a platform such as this. Agree to the terms of service right now like I am doing, and just simply click on register. Once you do that, you want to just simply log into your account. Once you're successfully logged into your account, guys, you want to come onto a page to get offers such as this. And if you're utilizing CPA Grip, you just need to come onto this section that says offer tools. Click on that option, a drop down list to be shown to you. Select my offers, and you'll be brought to a page that will look similar to this. You can filter your offers to any demographic or country of your choice. Once you do select that, you'll be able to see offers available to that demographic, and you can filter your offers by clicking on payouts. You're going to just simply rearrange your offers from the highest paying offer to the lowest paying offer. Now if you take a look at this offer right now, this is a very cool one right here, and this is actually giving out a giveaway prize of €1,000 towards getting an iPhone 14 Pro Max. Now this is actually for a lucky winner. A lucky winner is actually going to earn this particular prize, and for you to direct people to come to this offer, you just need to direct people from the United States that utilizes Android devices for them to just simply submit their email address or zip code while going through a simple survey using this your unique affiliate link. Once they do that, guys, they stand a chance of earning this particular cash prize of $1,000 or €1,000 towards iPhone 15 Pro Max, and you are also going to be earning a commission of $2.22 for directing people to that particular offer. This is a cool one right now. So you want to just simply select multiple giveaway offers to promote with this, and you can just simply copy the link for your offer and create a landing page. Now there are a lot of landing page builder sites that you can leverage, platforms like breezy.io, systemy.io, or even Linktree right now. You can utilize all these platforms to create a simple landing page. Linktree is quite easy to use. You just need to sign up for an account for free, log into the account, click on add link, add in the link for that CPA offer right here, and you want to just simply click on add, then go on to giving that a very cool title. Now if you look at this right here, I'm actually promoting offers to various countries right now. You can see I also attached a thumbnail for the country flag to each offer. The country is available to that particular country, and people can just simply click on my link tree, come onto my link tree page, select the offer available to their country, complete the offer. I get paid some cool affiliate commission, and they stand a chance of actually earning or getting that cash prize. So what I'm going to do after creating a very cool link tree or a landing page promoting multiple CPA marketing offers, you need to make sure that the offers are actually kind of giveaway offers. You want to click on share, copy the link right now to your link tree. If I go on to pasting that in a new tab, you're going to see how cool that actually looks like. So take a look at this, guys. This is how my link tree actually looks. You can see right now I can just simply go to selecting any of the offer, which is going to take me there. Now what you want to do is to promote that offer utilizing this platform called the giveawayfrenzy.com. Now this is a platform that is actually where people come to get giveaway offers right now. If you keep on scrolling through, you might be able to see a lot of giveaway offers available on this page. You can see right now this is to win a Ford. You can see this is for a chance to win a Q10 driver, and if you do keep on scrolling through, you'll be able to see lots of cool and amazing offers right now that you can just simply grab hold of. Now you need to just simply link your offer to one of these right now, or list your offer among one of these by clicking on submit giveaway. Once you do click on submit giveaway, guys, you're going to be brought to this page right now. Now if I do keep on scrolling through, you can actually do see more details about this right here. Now you want to scroll onto this section right here, and you can see this section that says who is sponsoring this giveaway, the website, company, or name. You just want to fill in that. You can see the giveaway entry URL, which is the URL to your landing page right there. You want to paste that in. Also, this is a giveaway title of which you need to actually go on to. It's a very cool and amazing eye-catchy title to attract a lot of audience. You can put in the price value right now, and you can actually go on to drafting out a very cool and amazing description. Now you also want to insert the end date, select the country which this is actually available to. You can select the United States, Canada, or if you want to just simply promote this worldwide, you can select that right now. And you want to make sure that in promoting that worldwide, you want to make sure that the links in your Linktree link or the CPA marketing offer you're promoting are available to various countries around the world. So you just need to do that. You can upload an image, fill out your details right now, and once you're done, just simply submit your offer as a giveaway right now. And for people that do come onto the platform, you're going to see that offer. You're going to click on that if they're interested in that, and they can actually go on to completing offers. And if they do that, they stand a chance of winning the offer or the cash prize, and you do go on to making full affiliate commission. So that's how simple this actually is. So you want to just simply stick on with this and promote as many offers as you can right there each and every single day, and go on to making some cool affiliate commission with CPA marketing. And guys, don't forget, like I said earlier, I regularly create videos on ways to make money online, and if you like such kind of content, do make sure you hit the like button to the video you're watching right now, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all to always get alerted whenever I release some cool videos to help boost your income online. That's it for now. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.